let's go check out what's going on in the washing machine. So while Dewey's over there rinsing out some shirts, we got the washing machine going over here set up on a hot first wash, second cold rinse, double rinse. That's what we typically do. Double rinse. And then stay tuned, there'll be a little bit of secret for you about how to stop some of the dye from bleeding after a customer gets their shirt. There's all the dye running out of the washing machine down into the drain. Usually put about 12 shirts per load. See how dark that is? On the second rinse. Got one more rinse to go.
Oh, jeez. Hey, folks, how you doing? Dewey with you here. He's not around as usual, so I gotta finish taking care of this one load we got going. We're doing a little bit of rinsing out today. Well, since he's not around, I'll add the final dose of Dawn into this wash, make sure it gets cleaned up and ready for market. Man, I can't believe he's not around. Jesus Christ.
On the second rinse. Got one more rinse to go.
You're good.
Alright everybody, so we're on the final rinse. What we're going to do is add these color catchers to it. Come in here a little bit closer, Joey, so everybody can see what's going on. We got these color catchers here we're going to put inside over here. What we actually do is we move the clothes around a little bit. We drop these color catchers in here. What these actually do will pick up the SS dye that's laying around in the washing machine. So then when your customer gets the shirt, the dye's not going to bleed all over, and then you don't have them coming back. Then you don't have them coming back to you stand crying, oh, I ruined my whole washing machine clothes because I wasn't smart enough the first time to do your tie-dye. You do it by hand just to check it out and be smart about it. But anyway, we use the color catchers wherever they went. And this is the final rinse, and let's go back out there and see what's rinsing out at the table. So anyway, we're done our final rinse. We use our color catchers. Right here, we always use these. These are the best things to use to get the extra dye out, so your customers don't complain. Anyway, come in here a little bit closer, Jerry. Look, this is an original one when you first get it out the box. And then as you dig in here, there's some of the other color catchers. That's collecting the dye off your shirts. Back up a little bit, Dewey. Just show them one. How's that look?
That looks awesome.
So, you know, use your color catchers. Catch them up. It's only a couple bucks. It's worth it. Your customers, treat them right. Do it right.